Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at data app mining, how you can earn free USDT on this data network app. Data mining, on their white paper, they say they are going to introduce a passive income, and here is the passive income. Before you'll be able to have the access to that passive income that will enable you to earn USDT, and also you can withdraw the USDT once the data app verify that token. You will be able to withdraw it. First, you need to make sure that you update your data app. I've already made a video on that, on how you can update your app. Make sure you add your security cycle. How do you add your security cycle? Click on menu. You will now see security cycle. You can add manually, but mine is, I am having problem of adding manually. So another way to update your app, you can actually update your app without security cycle. What you will need is, once you update the app, on the login session, that place they will bring out the security code. You will not be able to see security code if you have not added a security cycle. Rather, you will now say input security code. You have to be the one that will input your security code, and you'll be able to log in. Make sure you write down your security code down, because if you forget it, nobody can retrieve your account for you. Secondly, if you must add your security cycle, make sure that the people you add as a security cycle will add you back. If you add them and they did not add you back, there is no way they are going to get the verification code. Please, if you add Mr. B, make sure that Mr. B should add you back, so that once you send the verification code, the Mr. B will receive that verification code and forward it to you. If you fail to do so, you will not be able to log in. I've said that before. So now let's go to the main point. So for us to earn in the passive income, once you update your app, you will see over here USDT. Can you see this USDT? And you see add. And you will see add. This add are the passive income that data app introduced for us to earn another token. So we are going to click on this USDT. Okay, right now you have included your USDT. You can see the pending, and I have 92. And this pending, once they verify it, it will turn to your balance. And once it's in your balance, the system will verify your balance. You will earn it. And once you earn it, it is withdrawable. You can withdraw it. So it's a stage by stage. All these tokens we are mining, all the you can see it's written USCT. This USCT is under Delta blockchain, which is the same thing as USDT. We are calling it USCT because it's in Delta blockchain, and once they verify this, you are going to earn it as USDT. I hope you understand. So how are you going to be earning more points? You need to be earning more points. So you can see here, this is the ad session. We have 3, and you need to watch the ads every 8 hours. If you watch these 3 ads every 8 hours, your pending balance will increase. Now watch me. Let me click on this ad so that I can watch the ad. It's loading ad component. Give it time, you will see what is going to happen. Mind you, I have 92 pending, and after watching this ad, the pending balance will increase. Now look at the ad. You need to watch it. Watch the ad. Loading playable ad. These are the ads. I have, it has doubled by 6. Now I'm having 98. Now I still have 2 more left to watch, so that I will get more points. By so doing, your pending balance will keep on increasing. I hope you have understand how you can actually earn free USDT from data mining app. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share, and also join my Twitter handle for more updates. An important update: I'm currently buying and selling USDT on Solana plus all gas fees. If you have any business to do with me, kindly reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Join my WhatsApp. I'm the admin there. Send me a message and I'll reply you. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video. And if you have not started mining data app, I will drop the link in the video description. Thank you guys.